Hey guys, and welcome to Sonic Ally 77. And, well, I moved to a new house. You can tell that by the room. Alright, so some of the furniture is here. Actually, this is not really gonna be my bed. This is just gonna be, I think, this is just my bed for now. I think I'm gonna get a Sonic bed. So as I promised, I'll do a house tour. I mean, I did promise that, but I will do it today. So this is my, for now, bed. Alright, then these are the shelves where I put my plushes. I don't know where my other plushes are actually, but I will find them. They're somewhere here. Alright, but for now I found Tails and Yoshi. I am gonna make Mario plush videos very soon. Then my Knuckles, McDonald's Knuckles toy. If you want to watch the original video, I made a video of it. So just push this information, and then you can watch the video. But this is my Knuckles one without the shoe. I put some of them here. And this is my bathroom. Okay. Alright. Okay, almost. And then so 2 bed. Then my devices. Other bathroom. And then here is just some boxes, some toys, some office seat. Then there's some luggage. And some carpets too. And then a fridge here. And then some cupboards, or whatever you call it. Then there's stairs. Let's go now. Oh, this is also outside. Keep going down. Then downstairs you have some water container that you can pour on these cups. And then a big carpet here. Then the couch. And then there's like a diner table. Alright, then this other couch, and then the 2 deck. Oh yeah, in fact, this is the backyard. I'll show you it later. Okay, then we have the Nintendo Switch and the TV. Right now we're like watching this. Oh, okay, I'm just not gonna mention it. And then these baby high what is it? High chair and this baby seat, or whatever you call it. I'm just confused. Then the network and the cable. Then the kitchen with another fridge, a washing machine, another one, a fire extinguisher, a sink, microwave, and this oven. Alright, you know what? Because there's really nothing else to see, I'm gonna go outside. Okay, I'm going outside. Okay, this is outside, the outdoor toys. We can even go out of here. I'm not gonna do that in this video. Alright, then a chair, a scooter's a car seat, and then okay, a box. Let's go further. The backyard is quite long, and it reaches until this door right here. Okay, so it's quite a big one, and our car seat. So this is the end of the house tour, I guess. And then we can see a little house here. Should I ride a scooter? That's not safe in a video, because I'm only recording with one camera. And well, I can't use the scooter, but I can move it. So let's try that. Yeah. Yeah. Wow, it's moving actually. All right, let's go. Whee! Okay, that's the end of the house tour. If you want more videos, please subscribe. Okay, bye. Scooter, what? Wait, no.